the tomahawk steak. Is this just novelty? We're gonna find out today, guys. I don't know about you guys, I just like it simple, salt and pepper. You can keep this in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. I just recommend 1 hour per pound of meat. The grill is indirect heat. Chimney starter is about half full. For you guys that are counting briquettes, that's about 45 or 50. When putting the ribeye on the grill, you just want to make sure it's on the opposite side of your briquettes, and you want that bone side closest to the briquettes. We'll get this cooking, see what we got. We're going to want to maintain a temp between 250 and 300. You may need to adjust these vents depending on the weather. If it's a breezy day, kind of close those vents off, but we want to make sure we're between 250 and 300. It's been on for about an hour and 10 minutes. See where we're at. Temp wise, about 125 degrees. We're gonna reverse sear this, just putting wood chunks on top of this. We'll get this going, get it smoking, give it about 5 minutes. We'll come back and do a reverse sear. Wood chunks have been on for about 5 minutes now. It's looking good. We want these wood chunks just to catch fire a little bit. That actually looks good. Come over, bring our steak over. We just want to sear this for about 30 seconds and give it a turn. Turn it a little more. You guys can hear that. That sounds good. It's looking real nice. Let's see what we have. Oh, that's good. Let it sit on these flames about 30 seconds between turning. Just turn that a little bit. See what we got. That looks real good. Once the sear is complete, what we're gonna do is just take this back over to indirect heat. We're gonna close the grill, close the vents. We're gonna cook that to 145 degrees. This has been resting out for 10 minutes. I cooked it to 145 degrees. Let's see what we got. This looks real good. See, I have that butcher twine on there. Get that off there. You guys don't need to do that, but I think when you're searing it, it might fall apart if not, so. The easiest way to cut this up, just go down the bone. Look at that. Now the steak with the bone out, what we're gonna do is just cut this. See that nice fat on there? That looks good. 145 degrees. Now if you guys like medium rare, I don't recommend this meat. It's too thick. There's a lot of fat on it. You guys can see there. That looks nice. Get that bone over there. And get these nice cuts of meat over here. Time to eat.